Hey guys, it's Mariah, and I'm so excited to be starting this new channel. Hold on, I gotta sit. Sorry, my light's extremely bright. Yes, new channel, and all makeup related content is going to be here on Mariah Loves Makeup, and all weird vlog things are going to be back still on the Land of Mariah channel, so that's exciting. So today, to kick off this new channel, we're going to be revisiting an old challenge that I did do on my old channel, but it's lost in a sea of random. It is the full face using only liquid lipstick. Well, actually, using only lipstick, because I did use more than liquid lipstick. Using only lipstick challenge, and I hope you enjoy. What do you think? A little kooky. I know you guys already saw it at the beginning of the video, but I didn't say anything. Kind of looks like shit. Lipstick? Liquid lipstick doesn't blend very well, especially not lip gloss. This lip gloss I used as highlighter is so sticky, it just stuck to my face. Did you see that? But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, leave a like down below. And I still don't have an outro? Nope, that's Gabby's. Ha! I don't know what to say as an outro because it'd be and subscribe for more randomness. But this channel's not random. It's makeup. So subscribe for more makeup. I don't know. Thank you guys. Bye.